Okay, so I challenge you to do letter G, page 389. I went ahead and wrote it down in my journal so you can see it. There's the problem, and it said greatest to least. I already have the fractions and the decimals written out for you. Here's my decimal. I need to change these guys into decimals. Let's get started. Starting with the negative 7/13/20ths. The 20 needs to have a decimal value. 20 times what to get me the hundredths value? 5 on the bottom, 5 on the top, 13 times 5, 65. 65 hundredths dot 65. The 7 and the negative symbol have to come back to play. Decimal negative 7 decimal 78 is already given. This one is also given, technically. If you can say the fraction correctly, you can write it out as a decimal. 17 hundredths, negative 7/17. But now it's asking greatest to least. Earlier you did least to greatest. Now let's look at greatest to least. The largest number in the negative values. All right. How many of you guys are looking at this one because of the decimal 7? If you're looking at this one, you're out. Closest to 0 on the number line. Negative 7/17 over 100ths. Then I have between negative 7.78 and negative 7/13/20ths. Dot 7 versus dot 6. Negative 7/13/20ths. And then the decimal, negative 7.78. Check your work, see if I did that right. I want to make sure. If I went to the smallest number, negative 7.78 would be the smallest. So in this case, negative 7.17 is the greatest value, also known as negative 7/17 hundredths.